Hi Josh, hope you're doing well. Okay, I just wanted to show you my working, and the good news is that Alhamdulillah I am able to complete that out. So let me tell you what I did basically. So initially I started with the Google Cloud function, and I also inform you about the problems with the Google Cloud function. And then because of that problem, I just jumped to the Cloud Run, and the the problem was that again it was having any issues. I mean, if I go to the logs, I'm not sure how much technical knowledge you have, but again, the point is that the Selenium was throwing an error on the Cloud Run. So initially, I integrated the Cloud Run with my GitHub repo, where I pushed the code and integrated it with that, and it was using the Google Cloud build in order to build up my container. Um, and then because of that error, I thought maybe there is some issue within the container. So let's create the container on my own local PC and let me push it uh, to the container registry. So what I did was that I created I created the image on my personal computer, and it was working perfectly locally. And then I pushed it to the container registry and I ran it again from the Google Cloud Run, and the issue was the same. It was still giving the same error, which was a bit strange. But I tried out to come up with the solution, but I wasn't able. So rather than wasting the time, I just decided to go with the cloud compute engine. And the good thing is that obviously that it was working really good on this computer engine, alhamdulillah. So let me show you how this is working. So if I come here in the Google Sheet and I have to refresh it once. So now, right now, obviously I'll be I'll be running it manually just to show you that this is now being controlled through the Google Sheet. But once, okay, okay, I think my server is off. So let me pause the video. Let me switch on the server. I think it's off. That's the reason it's giving the error. So just hold on. Okay, the server is running now, and let me now run the script manually from the Google Sheet. So right now I'm running it manually from here, but in the future, I mean when you will be working on the whole workflow, because you are using Zapier. So what I'll do is that I will be giving you a URL of the Google Compute Engine instance URL, which you will be using as a webhook to call it from the Zapier. So that step have to be added after the updation of the Google Sheet. So I hope the guy or girl whom you I mean the person from you who is working on the Zapier for you, hopefully he must be aware of the webhooks. Just in case if he or she is not aware, just let me know. I'll assist you on that as well. Um, and right now, coming back to the sheet once again, as you can see, the work is done. So the process log is updated along with the image URL and with all the data as well. So you can just click on the URL to see the image, and just for verification, just let's do that quickly. 109.66.72, 109.66.72, and then 33, 14, 21, 33, 14, and 21, and then 956, 956, and I hope the rest of the entries will also be good. So because I previously saw the values as well, so I knew that they are correct. So let me know your feedback on this, and if you are happy with the working and the workflow, just let me know about that. And also in order to deploy it on your instance or on your Google account, you will have to give me access to the Google Compute Engine so that I can deploy it there as well. So let me know your feedback. Thank you so much. Bye bye.